it's Tanya. Welcome back to Crafty Cards and Journals. Today, normally I would put up a creative journal doing Dutch doors or something like that. That's going to come up tomorrow, Wednesday, because I just got in my new fall release from Archer and Olive. I'm so excited to show you what I have. I'm not affiliated with them, but this is just stunning. And they still have some available. I just checked. I mean, they're not sold out so far of some of this stuff. So let me show you what I found. And we will swatch some, I got some stamps, of course. We'll swatch, and some washi. We'll swatch it in my swatch book. So I'm really excited to show you this. And they've upgraded their ink. So I got the espresso. We will see. I heard everything is wonderful. All right, first what I want to do is open these books. I love their notebooks. I absolutely adore the boxes that they come in. And the fall release is called Forest Findings. And like I said, it's to die for, okay? And this one, they came in different sizes. This is the chrysanthemum. And I got it in a B5. It's vegan leather, dot grid notebook. 160 ultra thick, 160 GSM pages. So love this. And like I have said so many times, you can use this for your decor. It is that beautiful. Look at this. Oh. This is beyond stunning. Absolutely stunning. This is chrysanthemum. Look at that. Look at the edge. Naturally, I'm going to craft with this for, my journals. But you can, once you're through or until you open it, you can put this in your decor and it would be beautiful. This is vegan leather and it feels beyond delicious, okay? But just look at that. Is that not pretty? They had so many wonderful ones, but I wanted to get this one. Naturally, you have your pen holder. And then look at this gold foiling of like a chrysanthemum. And I got the dot grid, just plain dot grid. I love it. I do reading journals. If you've been with me a while, I do reading journals, creative art journals with these. And I love them. And then a big pocket in the back. I love the color that they chose for fall. It is a beautiful, almost like a rust color. And then that gold on there really pops. Love this. Now wait for this. I actually bought two of these. I bought Mom one and I bought myself one because I'm hoping once she gets her health issues cleared up that she will start. I've got her reading a ton of stuff. And I'm hoping she will get to doing reading journals. Okay, look at this. Once again, beautiful box all by itself. I love just this plaid look that they gave. Now, this is the 8x8 bookshelf. It's vegan leather, dot grid notebook, 160 GSM. Now this came, I'll show it to you in a second. This came the plain dot grid, or you could get it already fixed if you were doing a reading journal, where all you had to do is just kind of plug and play, put your information in there and everything. I didn't get that, and I didn't get Mom one like that either. But it is gorgeous. You should look at it. Look at this. They have all the sizes. It looks like a bookshelf. Once again, this is vegan leather as well. And it almost feels like a suede. But it's not. And look at that bookshelf with the drawers and the books and all the decor in there. And then look on the side. I can't even. Ugh. This is the first time they've ever done like a reading journal to my understanding. And I love it. I got the 8x8. You open it up, look at this, the gold foiling, and it's just another bookshelf. Now the other one had some blank pages in the back, like I said, dot grid, and then the rest of it was filled out where you could put pictures of what you had read, different things like that. And then this, I forgot to show you on the other one. Look at this beautiful ampersand. I'm going to have to get the other one out to show you. Quality and attention to detail is definitely in your Archer and Olive notebooks. I love this so much. So when I get through with my other reading journal, this is going to be my next one. And I cannot be more happy. And like I said, will this not be beautiful? Setting like out, maybe you could put like a plant on it, or a candle holder with a candle in it for fall. It would be gorgeous. Or just on your bookshelves. I love this. Now the chrysanthemum, I was so excited, I forgot to show you. I love this. This is the color they chose for this. And this is a little bit darker. In this, it looks like it really matches kind of like this, but a little darker. Is that not stunning? I can't stand it. Okay, now I'm going to show you the decorative washi tape that I have. If you haven't placed your order yet and you were wanting to, or you didn't know about it, definitely do. Because it's my understanding this is the biggest release they have all year. Look at this. All book theme. Gorgeous. And I love the plaid they threw in here. Let me just unroll this a little bit. And I'll put it on my desk here so you can take a look at it. But I think this is beautiful. I cannot wait to put this in my reading journal. And I think this stuff tears like a dream, an absolute dream. Because I love to tear washi, and I'll zoom in a minute. I think they absolutely nailed it with everything. Just look at all that deliciousness. We'll put this one right here. And then this little one. It kind of breaks up all the other patterns. This little check washi. Look at that. I love it. So there you can see the washi up close. I just love it. This is stunning. And I'm glad they offer you different sizes in this, because I think it's really important to have different sizes. And I was at Walmart and with Melvin, and we had Maggie, and we had her in her stroller, and we were pushing her, and he accidentally knocked the shoe off of one of their racks hanging, and I tried to get it, and the rack cut my hand. So that's what that's all about. Love this. So happy that I have it. Let me move this. And we are going to look at, they had 2 stamp sets in this release. I got the forest foliage, and the other one was like things that you would find in the forest. There was a fox and I think a chrysanthemum, but I just thought these were stunning, absolutely stunning. Love this. Look at the leaves and the acorns. And then some little florals. I just love it. So I think this is so versatile. You can use it for so much. So I picked that one up. And then, like I said, they redid their ink. And this is their Legacy ink in Espresso. Fast drying, waterproof, fade proof, archival, acid-free, non-toxic pigment. All right. So I'm going to get my really big swatch book from Michaels, and we're going to try this out. Find me an empty page. I think this one will work. Do I want to do it on that one? Okay, let's do it on this one. And I always swatch mine not like you're supposed to do. You're supposed to do, you know, one at a time. I just do it all at once for quickness. All right, and we'll see how this swatches. I got this in today, and so I wanted to show you all in case you're interested. I didn't want you to miss out. That's what crafting buddies do. And this time I actually remembered. Now this to take my mat up. Now this may not be a real clear stamp because like I said, you're not supposed to do it like this. But I really want to see. I thought this would be a really pretty color. Oh, it is beautiful. And I didn't really put that much on there. And I'm just using a baby wipe. I have a chamois that I usually use to clean my stamps with. A lawn fern chamois that I love. But I forgot to get it wet. So I'm just going to use this. And I can tell you already, cleaning this, their other ink, when I would clean it with a baby wipe, it would be so messy. It wasn't even funny. This was not messy at all. So let me see. This has been a while. Let's see. Make sure my hands are good and dry. You can see that. Look at that. It is not smearing at all. Look at that. So that is a definite improvement. I wish I'd have gotten their black now. But this release had the black and the espresso. But this is really, really a beautiful color ink. So I love that. And I love my stamp. So I can remember. I'm going to get in here and I'm just going to say Archer and Olive Forest Findings. And this was the forest foliage. And then this right here, so I'll know, was the Archer and Olive Legacy ink in espresso. And then if I ever wonder what that was, then I can look back and see. I love this ink and I love the stamp. It's beautiful. I hope you enjoyed my Archer and Olive fall release, unboxing, and haul. Their forest findings. I love it. I was very selective what I got. They had some stickers that went with this that was gorgeous. Stickers that went with this that was gorgeous. I loved everything they had. I really did. They had one little notebook that had a mouse on the front, and the other one looked like this pattern on the front. So if you're interested in this, get on their website. I'd hate to see you miss out, especially on this. This is so unusual. Just remember, if you're going to order it, that they do have the one that's already designed, so you just sort of plug and play the books that you're reading, the authors, all that, what you think about them, and everything. If you enjoyed this Archer and Olive haul and unboxing, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.